Alright, so we are going to check out this big one's bang that we just heard. Which is, you know what? It's kind of funny. Today is January 1st of 2025. I didn't have any work today. Normally I would be at work at this time, but it's skeleton crew night. And luckily, holiday pay. I got holiday pay and overtime last shift of New Year's Eve to New Year's Day. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what that big humongous bang was, because it was big, and we're suspecting other people other people that live here to ooh, it's smoky over there. Ooh, I guess we'll have to see what's over here. But anyway, it's, wow, nice stop, dude. That's how there was probably a crash. Jeez Louise. But first crash of the year, maybe. I wonder if the 18-wheeler saw anything. I'm not going to ask him, but just as a curiosity type thing. Because obviously, I don't see anything that happened at all. I mean, it's a little bit smoky. Yeah. I'm probably just going to check it up as people are probably going to shoot fireworks. I really don't know, because I don't see anything. No. But the reason I say probably fireworks, or maybe a gun, knowing this area, because I spend decades in this area. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do a perimeter check at our house. Oh, which, by the way, if you guys are new here, hi, my name's DJ. I do crazy videos sometimes. And we also have me and my sister will hopefully do some awesome adventures here. Well, not at this location, but hopefully this year, because I already got big goals. And one of those big goals is getting a car. I've been out of a car since a whole year now. I don't like it. Don't like it whatsoever. That probably seems good. Oh, and we have this cute little pit bull named Jinx. She also has her own TikToks, so you probably would see her on her TikToks. She actually has two TikToks, and she also has a Snapchat. I'm going to see how we're going to work a Snapchat for her. But house looks good. No crashes. Like I said, in this neighborhood, unless they don't have any more, supposedly, some of these people here, just because it's the last week of Christmas break, they're wanting to set off more fireworks. I mean, they did it this morning, so around 11. Freaked Jinx out, man. I took her outside took a nice picture of her with her eyes closed, just soaking up the sun, and then ba-boom, firework explosion. She ran to me and started whining. So anyhow, so nothing here. Oh, which, by the way, we're going to try to do as much TikTok as we can until we figure out what's happening to TikTok this year. Because supposedly, the US is trying to ban TikTok. Then again, they were trying to ban TikTok since 2023. But I guess they are actually doing it. So hopefully not. Because Jinxie has a good fan base here. She does also on YouTube, but she has more fans on TikTok than she does on YouTube. YouTube, she entered the year of 2024 with 246 subscribers on her Adventures channel. And then with TikTok, her one channel that we totally lost for like 2 years, well, a whole year and a half, she has about like 15, which is fine. But her main one that she's always on, she's up to 646, I think, from the ending of 2024. So she gained a lot of followers for TikTok. I'm so proud of her. Well, I don't know what that mysterious noise is, but I'm gonna go inside. I am not wearing the appropriate clothing for this cold weather. I'm wearing a tank top and long pants, which is my norm, but